The almost innumerable terms connected with business should be understood by all who engage in trade. Full stop. They are introduced into practically every transaction, comma, and he would be considered incompetent who did not understand them. Full stop. The mastery of these terms is not a task of such magnitude as to disconcert anyone of reasonable self-reliance and self-control. Full stop. No enterprising man need entertain a moment's doubt as to his ability to learn these significant terms. Full stop. The transmission of goods to a commission agent or other consignee involves the preparation of documents which will ensure the transfer of the goods to him without unnecessary delay. Full stop. The arrangement of consular invoices and other forms properly inscribed and attested must be recognized as a common matter of daily routine, comma, and a man would feel uncomfortable if he were ignorant of these things. Full stop. Close.